How to enable the hidden end task feature on the Windows 11 taskbar. Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you a hidden gem in Windows 11, the end task feature on the taskbar. This handy feature lets you quickly end tasks directly from the taskbar, without needing to open Task Manager. Let's dive in. Windows 11 includes a powerful End Task option that's turned off by default. This feature allows you to right-click an app icon on the taskbar and end all processes associated with it, not just the window. This is perfect for those times when an app freezes or becomes unresponsive. Once you enable the End Task feature, here's how it functions. Right-click on taskbar icon. When you right-click on an app icon in the taskbar, you'll see a new option, End Task. End all processes. For apps like web browsers that might have multiple processes running, e.g. multiple Chrome or Edge windows, the option will be labeled End All Tasks. Selecting this will immediately terminate all related processes, similar to what happens when you use Task Manager's End Task feature. Force close unresponsive apps. If an app stops responding, this feature can save you time by allowing you to close it directly from the taskbar without the need to open Task Manager. Now, let me show you how to turn on this feature. Open the Settings app on your Windows 11 device. Navigate to Developer Settings, go to the System section, then scroll down and click on For Developers. Enable End Task, find the End Task option and toggle it on. And that's it! Now, you can easily end tasks directly from the taskbar. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.